Cornell Scott Hill Health Center is one of Greater New Haven's best-kept secrets. It is an award-winning community health center with a 40-year track record of providing quality patient care throughout New Haven County. Joining me now is the center's CEO, Jay Henderson, and Interim Chief Medical Officer, Dr. Tom McNamee. Welcome to the show.
Thank you so much.
It's amazing, 40 years that you've been able to provide such quality care throughout the New Haven area.
Yes. We're so happy to have that legacy and to grow, and we welcome everyone to come and see us now.
Now, this is, of course, not just for the New Haven neighborhoods now, it's for everybody in the area.
Yes,
really.
absolutely. We have 16 care sites. We're throughout the New Haven region, and we'd really love anyone to come and see us at any of those locations.
Let's talk about some of the newest programs that you have now in place, Dr. McNamee, especially the most recent one that I was very excited about was this new clinic, this walk-in clinic.
Yes. Our convenient care clinic is a recent addition to the Cornell Scott facility. It's manned by a staff of providers and nurses, and it's our alternative to emergency room care. I think that, as most of us agree in healthcare, the emergency rooms are being overutilized. We try and bring the patients back to our community or to our center, prevent the overutilization, and triage them appropriately to the immediate care or to a specialist.
A lot of people are just not aware, though, that your center really does provide so many different programs.
Absolutely. We're the best example of integrated care. We have primary medical, dental, and behavioral health. In fact, we've been recently applauded and celebrated by the National Behavioral Health Care Service as one of the best out of 1,800 mental health centers in the United States. So we're mental health, behavioral health, dental, and medical.
Mental health, a big issue right now. What can people expect if they want to come to the center? For what kind of service do you provide for that?
We go from child and family guidance to adult behavioral health to in-house treatment of substance abuse. So it's the full gamut of behavioral health services, and that's what makes us special, is the fact that if someone comes in with a medical problem and they're noted to be depressed, we have somebody available immediately to counsel them. It's just an amazing system.
And that's difficult to find, that type of service, because I know a lot of people have called me and said, where can I get great mental health expertise?
Yeah, so we call it the no wrong door. You can enter any door and have the appropriate service provided.
You have quite a staff there now.
We do.
Yes.
How many people?
Over 500 people work at the Cornell Scott Hill Health Corporation. Yes.
Yeah.
And that's, of course, that's because you have so many locations as well.
Right.
The main one is right here in New Haven.
Yes, at 400 Columbus Avenue. Yes. And we hope that you'll drive by, you'll come and visit again.
I've seen it many times, but I have to come by because it has expanded so much.
Absolutely.
The last time I was there.
Yes. We want everyone to make it their medical home, because people too often are using emergency rooms for when they need to see a medical doctor and the doctor's office is closed. Well, we're available to be that medical home for anyone. We say we welcome anyone, but we're the best for everyone.
And what are the hours?
The clinic is open from 8:30 in the morning to regular sessions at 5 o'clock in the afternoon, but we do have evening clinic and Saturday clinics.
So you really make it accessible for everybody.
That's our goal.
That's our mission, to provide high-quality, accessible care.
Absolutely.
All right, so when people walk in, what should they expect?
Well, they should expect to have the best customer service they've ever experienced, number one. And an environment of care that is pleasing, that's beautiful, that makes them contemplate and reflect their wellness. They should expect to have whatever their specific needs are, but to receive evidence-based best practices with regard to prevention also.
Let's talk about the medical staff, Dr. McNamee. I know you have OBGYNs, you have dentists, all kinds of people there.
We have internists, we have specialty clinics in cardiology, ear, nose, and throat, neurology. We have a full complement of physicians as well as mid-level providers, and so there's always access.
Well, the access also is an issue for many Medicaid patients as well as hospice patients.
Yes.
You and I discussed this just a few minutes ago, and many of those patients just do not know where to go.
Yes, and we want to tell them, just come to any of our 16 care locations, and we are very happy to serve them, as well as people who have private insurance. We welcome everyone.
That's very good. Is there anything that we didn't talk about that you want everybody to know?
That probably this is the thing that distinguishes us, is because we've been in the community so long, and we have the legacy that started with a collaboration between Yale and spearheaded by Cornell Scott, that we love the community, we work in the community, we live in the community, and it's our desire to provide that empathetic care that is rare in any other institution.
And the community loves you for what you are able to provide, believe me. You can visit the website, hillhealthcenter.com, for a comprehensive listing of the programs and services it offers, or you can call 203-503-3000. Just come to WTNH.com and click on Connecticut Style. We'll have that link for you. Thank you again, both of you.
Thank you
Thank you
so
very
much. We're so happy that you let us come and talk about Cornell Scott Hill Health Center.
Let the community be more aware of us.
You are so welcome.
Thank you.